Increase your libido performance with this. This is Bitter Kola for men. If you want to increase your libido, your performance as a man, do this or take this. But before I proceed on how you are going to take this to achieve these results, I want to say that you are welcome to this channel. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men, and my name is Kenneth Os. So if you want to know how to keep men naturally, videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell to always get notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So for men that don't last longer in bed, for men that don't perform well as a man, for men that don't have desire in their life, please take this to achieve all this. Now, how are you going to use this? This is Bitter Kola, a wonderful ingredient, a wonderful fruit that increases men's performance. It will also help you to get rid of infections, and also make you to reduce sugar from your blood. In case if you have too much sugar in your blood, with this you get rid of it. But the most important thing why I came up with this video is to teach you how to take this, how to consume it, to increase your performance as a man, to get rid of infection, and to also help you to last longer, and to also increase your libido. Now, you are going to do this with this Bitter Kola. Before you take this, make sure that you eat food and you eat it to your own satisfaction. This is a natural tip that I want to share with you. So make sure that you drink enough water and eat enough food so that you will be strong and you will have energy. Now, after that, chew this. Just one. Don't take two to avoid overdose or to avoid effects. Now, after you chew this, drink a cup of water once again. After drinking a cup of water, now stay like 30 minutes to 1 hour. You will see how energized you will be. You will see how good you will be. You will see how your libido will increase, and you will always be the best you want. So this Bitter Kola is all you need to increase your libido, to boost up your performance, and to also help you to get rid of infections in case if you have infection. Do you know that infection can make a man not to last longer? Infection can make a man not to perform well. But with this, it will help you to get rid of infection and to also perform well as a man. So consume Bitter Kola as much as you want. Consume Bitter Kola to be the best you want as a man. And this is what I want to share in this video. I strongly believe that you get value. If you do, support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so that you will get notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you good luck and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.